Insta360 Flow Pro, the new AI tracking stabilizer designed for iPhone. It's the first dock-kit-enabled gimbal, Apple's new subject tracking technology. Elevate your iPhone into the ultimate creative tool with seamless one-tap pairing. Just tap and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Track seamlessly with your iPhone's native camera. Be in the know from any angle with the new LED tracking ring light. Stay in frame with Apple Dock-kit's tracking, even when you call loved ones. Snap on your phone with the new magnetic phone mount and start filming in a flash. Dock-kit keeps you effortlessly in the frame during your online meetings and live streams with your favorite iOS apps. When you're done filming, fold it up into your bag or pocket and take it with you wherever you go. Set it down with a built-in tripod, perfect for Flow Pro's new 360-degree infinite pan tracking. Experience the smoothest tracking ever with D-Track 3.0 in the Insta360 app. With advanced person re-identification, it never loses sight, and the 3-axis stabilization cancels out any shakes for pro-level footage. Capture the best angles and get everyone in the shot with the built-in selfie stick. Flow Pro can even track animals. Record every playtime with your pets in perfect focus and shake-free. No matter what, stay centered and capture every move and every angle as you ride. Create jaw-dropping edits for your family, friends, and followers at the tap of a button with the Insta360 app's easy AI editing. Seamlessly track with Insta360 Flow Pro, the ultimate AI stabilizer for iPhone.
Wondered what it takes to become the Hulk? Introducing Kaisar for Men, the solution to your sexual complaints. The self-care device designed to improve sexual function. Simply switch on, cup, sit back, and relax. Kaisar works by stimulating the mitochondria in our cells through red light and near-infrared rays. As a result, we see a boost in the production of substances required for cell activity. These substances improve erectile strength by increasing blood flow to the penis. It enables sperm to swim more actively and efficiently. With heightened testosterone levels, maximize the activity in your life. Kaisar is sturdy yet light to carry, perfect to take around with you. Its patent hinge structure and ergonomic curves make for a comfortable and flexible fit. So discreet that no one will know when you're using Kaisar except you. With automated 15-minute sessions, Kaisar alerts you it's done with a light vibration. Use with confidence every time. Charge easily with the universal USB Type-C cable. Kaisar supports you through life's adventures. Be the healthiest and most vibrant version of you. Confidence in the bedroom starts from within. Kaisar, the portable 15-minute self-care device for every man.
Max Cinema anytime, anywhere. Support image signal dual interface synchronous output, convenient for couples to watch movies together. With the ultimate optimization of every detail, first-class display technology, and a comfortable viewing experience. GOOVIS G3 Max, setting a fresh benchmark for head-mounted display.